My name is Emma Bailey, and this is my monster named Sweet Creature.
I'm Abigail, and this is Riley, my forest nymph.
Hi, my name is Madison SFX, and this is my figurehead, Lucy.
I really like underground creatures, so I sort of mixed a star-nosed mole, other moles, and the nightmare of what you'd go down spelunking, and this would be it.
So Lucy is the figurehead of like a pirate ship, but it's kind of a very old pirate ship, so she has some minor wood damage and like waterlog.
I hike at Angeles Crest Highway all the time, and it's the same place that I based my dreads off of. So I took everything from the forest, just threw it together.
The most difficult part was probably the nose and the scales. The scales were just tedious, the nose was just difficult to maneuver. We figured it out though.
Probably the wig. The wig, it took me probably about 2 days to make. I started with foam and ended up with this. Other than that, the sculpting took quite a while.
Well, going into the class, I honestly had no flipping clue what I was gonna do. But then by the second day, I had all this stuff at home, and I was just like looking at all these piles of leaves and crap, and I was just like, I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
So I developed her first in Photoshop in the digital effects class, and then I developed her anatomy and such further in creature maquette, and so full-bodied, and then I wanted to continue with that, so I made her full form in special effects class.
Well, I found all of it while hiking. So the deer legs is a recent score. I found 4 of them just sitting there, so I had to have those for her. I made the birds' nests out of twigs and stuff that I found at the forest, but I'm really proud of that. And then all the moss and the bark and the acorns, everything came from the same forest.
So some of the details that I find are my favorite parts would probably be a lot of the wood grain, especially around the chin and the nose, and some of the algae that's around her face on the waterlog side. I also sculpted all the starfish by hand, and the same thing with the wood texture on the wig.